Now you've got your drop down lists on there. Let's also add one for the jobs. So I'm going to move this because it's not in the right place. Let's face it. Title really comes at the top, doesn't it? So I'm going to throw it in there like that. Put my break in, let's have a look. So we got title, first name, and we've got gender, we've got a submit button, and then over here we've got this isn't formatted quite right. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to have title, and then first name and last name. So here I'll have the job applied for. Yeah. You can organise how you see fit. You could do it all in one list if you wanted, but yeah, I'm going to go with, yeah, I'm going to go with, yeah. So that's the other thing I think with regard to title. It's having an option that says please select a title that has no value, and it's selected disabled, and it is please select a title like this. So let's have a look at that. Yeah, there you go. You see, and if we submit it, then we get the error message. Okay. So after that, we want to put a break after that one there. So it's 2 breaks at the end of every field. Oops. There we go. Let's have a look now. It needs to look nice and tidy. This is better. I like this now. This one is not so good. So let's sort that out. So go down to last name. We need a break at the end. Do we not? And then we need a double break. I think that's good. This has to go above the label. And then we've got the BR in there. Let's have a look at that. So we're now getting consistent design, which is good. Yeah, we don't need that break, no. So, there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so now that's nice and consistent. So I need a jobs drop down as well. So let's take the select that we already made and let's rework it. I'm going to put it right at the top, and I think we'll then have a little discussion. I'll have a discussion with myself. Job applying for. Now we've got a whole bunch of jobs. So I'm going to call this job. Please select a job. For iron range length jobs, and then in here we're going to do jobs i.id, and that will be the ID of the job being applied for, and that needs to be in curly brackets, and then this could be the job name. Now let's just have a look at what we called it, because we called it job title. There we go. So let's go back into here. And let's throw on there job title. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste this. And we're going to change ID to title. And then we're going to have a look at it. Now that did not take long, did it? Just to get that in there. And it really does improve the functionality of the site, because they don't have to then type their own jobs. So there we go. Look, you can just choose from it and throw it in there. Didn't quite amend that error message properly. If title error, no, it's if job error. All right, and there we go. So there we go. Right, now we're going to go over to the controller, and we're going to deal with the job error and the title error, okay, because we haven't. So I'm going to do it the same way. You're starting to get an idea of, it's quite repetitive, So I want gender in place of job in place of gender. And also we want title, don't we? Probably put, oh, title's already there. Yeah, title's already there. So it's a job that we haven't done. So let's see if this now works. Okay, so once we've got a job, we can then, right, so we can do the title error. If not, title error. And not first name and blah, 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 blah. And not job error. We can then write the database, okay? So job ID equals job, title equals title, and that's the whole shaboy. That's it. That's everything. Now, if the data writes to the database successfully, right, then we want something like application success equals true. Okay, we can set application success to false to begin with, and then once it's happened, we've got true. So what you could do then, I'll just save that up, is write some code that will tell the user that their application is good. So what I might do is completely get rid of the entire form if application success is true, if application success, if it's false, show the form. If it's not false, if it's true, so I'm just going to take that line of code there, all the way down. If it's true, however, let's tell them. So you're going to need an elif in there. And then we'll just have, let's try a P. Job, application completed. Like that, and then we just need to do a pass. So you always indent after an if or elif, so no different here, the same applies. You then need to do the same, you need to sort your indentations out. So this belongs like this. When you've got these four statements, the options have to be indented. We've got an if there, that's fine. But here, these need to be done. It just helps you, when you're looking at it, it just helps you see the structure of the code and what's happening. What I'm going to do, just for now, I'm going to take out the last name and I'm going to put I'm going to populate it with nothing, that res right. And I'm going to job apply for title, and then I want, I think, then and only then do I want the last name. Okay, so let's see if we get an error. Yep, see. Oh yeah. So when we use if statements, we always use double to compare, single to assign. Okay, let's have another go. More problems. Application success is not defined. I thought we did. Application success with one S. Spelling mistakes will get you every time. Okay, so this job, this is me, Demonte Conehill, gender male, submit, job application complete. Let's just check to see if it is in the table. So if you open the edit page, click on database administration, and you would select job application to see that it's in there. Not sure what's going on here. Well, it's not showing on mine, but if you have a look at it, it should show on yours. However, it works. I think that's it.